Traditional business cards are slow, fragile, and outdated. You print them once, and the moment your phone number changes, your role shifts, or your brand evolves, they're already wrong. Worse, they quietly cost you credibility. They get lost, forgotten in wallets, or tossed away 5 minutes after a meeting. And every time that happens, you don't just lose a card. You lose a follow-up, a referral, a second conversation that never happens. Modern professionals don't lose opportunities because they're bad at business. They lose them because their first impression is outdated. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to create a digital business card that works after the meeting ends. One that saves time, looks professional instantly, and avoids the mistakes most people don't even realize they're making. If you're busy, this matters, because fixing this once pays you back every single time you share your details. Let's get straight into how this actually works, and how to set it up properly so it represents you the way it should. Go to brandedqrcode.com. Scroll down and click Create Your Landing Page. You'll then get two options, Business Page and Contact Card. Click Contact Card. You'll see 3 ready-made templates. Choose the one you like. For this video, we'll use the second template. You can now customize it. Add your profile photo, your name, your title or position, your company, and a short description about yourself. Enter your contact details, your phone number, WhatsApp number, email, website, and address. You can also upload a PDF or images. Add your social media links such as Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and X. Then scroll up to the design section. Here you can choose your background, an image at the top with a color at the bottom, a primary color at the top with a secondary color at the bottom, a single color for the entire background, or an image covering the full background. For this video, we'll use an image on the top section and a color on the bottom. You can also edit the size of your profile photo. Adjust the color and style of your name, your title or position, your company, and your description. Next, move to the Contact Us design section. Here, you can set the container color, the icon color, the label color, and the value color. You can also edit the images if you've uploaded any. Then go to the Social Media Links design section. Here, you can adjust the container color, the icon size, and the icon font size. Once everything is ready, save your page. After that, click Link to QR Code and then click Go to QR Code Generator. You'll see 2 options, Create from Scratch or Design Assistant. We'll start with Design Assistant. Upload your face or logo. We'll upload a logo. You can change its background color, resize it, and click Apply Changes. You'll then see 4 to 6 ready-made options. Pick the one you like. You can now customize the QR code further. Choose what you want it to link to. We'll link it to our saved landing page. Click Landing Page, select your page, and you'll see Landing Page X is selected to confirm it. Then adjust the QR code details by first setting the QR detail level, followed by the QR code size and export size. After that, fine-tune the padding, border width, and border roundness, choose the pattern shape and corner style, and customize the frame by selecting the frame style, adding frame text, setting the frame color and frame width, adjusting the frame roundness, and finally defining the frame text color and size. You can also choose whether your logo appears centered or embedded in the QR code. Download the QR code and check the scan, and as you can see, it scans perfectly. Now scroll up to create a plain QR code. Click Remove Image, then Reset Style. Choose your foreground and background colors, increase the detail level, download it, scan it, and there you go.